Welcome back, everyone. Today we have something truly special for you. The 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle V8, a legendary name, reborn with modern power and innovation. This latest iteration of the classic Beetle is unlike anything we've seen before. Volkswagen has completely transformed this icon into a high-performance beast while maintaining its retro charm. In this video, we're diving deep into the details inside, outside, under the hood, and of course the pricing. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Super Beetle still carries that unmistakable silhouette that made it famous. But now, it looks more aggressive and refined. The rounded shape has been enhanced with sharper lines and a wider stance, making it clear that this isn't just a nostalgia piece, it's a serious machine. The front end is dominated by a bold, aerodynamic grille with active air intakes that adjust to optimize airflow and cooling. LED matrix headlights with dynamic turn signals give it a futuristic touch while still echoing the classic round lights we all love. The hood is sculpted with subtle vents, hinting at the powerhouse beneath. Move to the side and you'll notice flared wheel arches that house massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires. The side profile is sleeker than ever, thanks to frameless doors and a lower roofline that gives it a sportier appearance. Volkswagen has also incorporated hidden door handles for a cleaner aesthetic, and the muscular fenders remind us that this Beetle means business. Around the back, the rear has been completely redesigned while still maintaining its heritage. The LED taillights stretch across the width of the car, creating a seamless, modern look. A prominent ducktail spoiler sits atop the trunk, improving aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. The dual exhaust system with quad tips roars to life when you hit the gas, reinforcing the fact that this isn't just a cute little Beetle anymore. It's a performance machine. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast, under the hood. Volkswagen has done something unexpected and truly exhilarating. The 2025 Super Beetle is powered by a 5.0-liter V engine, delivering an astonishing 500 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. That's right, no more four-cylinder or electric-only powertrains. This Beetle brings raw power to the table. Mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, it sends power to all four wheels, allowing for blistering acceleration. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest Beetles ever built. Handling has been completely overhauled with a revised adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts to driving conditions. Whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking sharp corners, the Super Beetle V8 remains composed and responsive. Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, making it a thrill to drive in any weather condition. A new electronic limited-slip differential further enhances cornering ability, allowing you to push the limits with confidence. Stepping inside, the interior is a perfect blend of retro inspiration and cutting-edge technology. Volkswagen has gone all out to make the Super Beetle's cabin feel premium and driver-focused. The dashboard features a seamless 12-inch digital instrument cluster, fully customizable to display navigation, performance data, and more. Next to it, a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Volkswagen's latest software provides intuitive controls for everything from climate to entertainment. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging come standard, ensuring a connected experience. The seats are an absolute treat. Premium leather with contrast stitching wraps around deeply bolstered bucket seats that offer heating, cooling, and even massage functions. The classic Beetle flower vase is gone, replaced by ambient lighting strips that offer 30 different colors to set the mood. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara and leather, feels perfect in hand and features paddle shifters for precise control. The center console is redesigned with a minimalist approach, housing a sleek gear selector and a drive mode switch that lets you toggle between eco, comfort, sport, and track modes. Passenger space is surprisingly generous, despite the coupe-like silhouette. Rear seats are still usable, and Volkswagen has cleverly maximized legroom with a redesigned floor layout. The cargo area is practical, thanks to the hatchback-style rear, making it more versatile than expected. Safety and driver assistance technologies are state-of-the-art. Volkswagen has equipped the 2025 Super Beetle with adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The autonomous emergency braking system with pedestrian detection ensures extra peace of mind, while the AI-powered driver alert system keeps an eye on fatigue levels and suggests brakes when necessary. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Given the high-performance upgrades and premium materials, the 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle V8 isn't exactly a budget-friendly option. The base model starts at around $65,000, while the fully loaded version with all the bells and whistles pushes close to $80,000 for $1,000. For a car that blends history, performance, and luxury in one package, it's a compelling offer. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle V8 the ultimate reinvention of a legend? Absolutely. It's not just a nostalgia play, it's a statement. Volkswagen has managed to take an icon, inject it with modern performance, and create something that stands out in today's market. Whether you're a Beetle enthusiast or just someone looking for a thrilling ride, this car demands attention. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle V8. What do you think? Would you take this beast for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.